In this video, you will learn how to reduce background noise in Premiere Pro using the repair tool inside the Essential Sound panel. It's very easy and fast. Imagine watching this video with all this noise that is going on right now. There's no way you enjoy it, right? But all of a sudden, we remove that noise. I mean, this is much better. Alright, this is the audio I want to remove the background noise here. So I'm going to play the before and after so that you can compare the difference. Now, first of all, we need to assign this audio as dialogue because it's dialogue. Okay, so I'll play it now.
Or Kush, as the case may be. So the Kush is usually linked to parts of Northeast Africa, especially areas associated with modern day.
Now, I increase the volume so that you can be able to, hear the noise properly. If I play this from here, this is the noise floor. There's no voiceover here. So you can see this noise is peaking at almost minus 30 decibels. So to remove this noise, what we just need to do is come to the repair tool here and click on reduce noise, and voila, that's it. What you need to do is just start, adjusting your slider here to your preferred choice. But mind you, too much of it will cause your audio to start sounding artificial. It will no longer sound natural. So the idea is to reduce the noise as much as possible and not to make our audio sound like a robot. So you can see the noise floor has reduced drastically, but I can see here some noise. So I'm going to play this here.
Kush is usually linked to parts of Northeast Africa, especially areas associated with modern day Ethiopia.
Now that sounds better, but let's drag this to maybe 7. I say I don't go beyond 7 because of those artifacts, like I said.
And Sudan. Because of this, many people look towards the Horn of Africa.
Now let's see the noise floor here and see how it sounds. Okay, you can see the noise is almost gone. Now, of course, this audio is clipping here. It's too loud. I will not export this audio just yet, so I'm still gonna walk around it before exporting. By the way, you should know that background noise is any unwanted sound that plays under your voice. This can include room noise, just like this, electrical hiss, distant traffic, or air movement. Most of the time, the goal is not to remove all the noise completely, but to reduce it so the voice remains natural. But is it possible to remove all the noise? Yes, it is. That said, reduced noise works best for steady, constant noise. Things like, your room noise, of course, fan noise, AC hum, and background hiss. It is not designed to remove loud, sudden sounds like a clap, maybe door slam, or maybe your dog is barking at the background, or people talking. It is not for it, okay? Here are common mistakes to avoid when using the reduce noise tool. Do not push the slider to the maximum for no reason. Do not use reduce noise on music. Don't try that one at all. And do not apply it multiple times on the same clip, because one clean pass is always better than overprocessing your audio. And here is a pro tip. If your clip has both noise and echo, reduce noise first before using any echo removal tools, okay? Now that background noise is under control, the next issue is low frequency sounds like rumble. In the next episode, I will show you how to remove rumble using the reduce rumble tool in the Essential Sound panel. So if this video helped you clean your audio, like the video so that the algorithm can push it to other people that wants to see it. And subscribe, turn on notifications so you don't miss the next episode in this Essential Sound series. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next episode.